Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. We have this beautiful style that breaks the rules, just enough to feel cool. This haircut you can see is a style that is perfect for demonstrating your senior citizen confidence. Like for older women from the 60s to 80s, you can boost your confidence with this style and look so beautiful. It's a style that will allow you to really look so beautiful. You can even allow your stylist to create this haircut exactly how you envision it or how you're seeing it on the screen, because sometimes when you style at home, a dab of styling cream will keep that ringless supple and refined. So this is a cut for different hair types and it deserves its own spotlight. So whether your hair is coarse or you have this fine hair or your hair is coily, there's a cut for you in this video that will really make it look its best, even with 10 hours in front of the mirror. So if your hair is really getting finer with time, this might just be the ticket for you to break up that flat look and give a natural volume boost. So this is a cut for everyone because it will help to add a fullness even without much effort. So I love the style because you can see how it's that haircut that adds to your hair and lightens up the load with this beautiful layers. So just the right type of cut will play nicely with this beautiful natural wave. So women that have this kind of hairstyle, like those that have the thick hair or the thin hair, can really do this beautiful style you see on the screen, because it works great if you're searching for something tidy and easy to go out gracefully. It is a style that can really turn eyes in that occasion, and you can see how it adds those lift and that casual polish for anyone with natural waves. So this is a cut I would like you guys to please watch to the end, because it's low maintenance, it's versatile, and it will really draw attention to the eyes and the cheek bone. So for that extra edge, you can add a coily undercut. It's particularly freeing for women who've had enough of long upkeep. With this in mind, let me let you guys to please savor the rest of the styles we have. God bless you guys, and still look to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.